Welcome to Cruise Cipher, your guide to smarter cruising. Cruising over 55 brings unique considerations younger travelers overlook. Cruise Cipher has explored countless voyages, uncovering what ensures a seamless trip for mature cruisers. From itinerary choices to cabin selections, these 8 essential tips are tailored for over 55s, offering a worry-free adventure with opportunities younger cruisers miss. Stay tuned for expert advice, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with fellow cruisers. Let's dive into the first tip on choosing the perfect itinerary. 1. Itinerary. Mature cruisers benefit from flexible schedules, untied to school holidays, making longer voyages like world cruise segments ideal. These explore unique destinations: South America, Asia, the South Pacific, popular with over 55s, offering calmer ships with fewer families. Avoid crowded regions like the Caribbean, Mediterranean, or Alaska during peak school breaks for better value and fewer crowds. Cruise Cipher recommends November, early December, or January-February for the Caribbean, June-October for the Mediterranean, and May, early June, or late September for Alaska. Itineraries over 7 nights, or repositioning cruises, like transatlantics or transpacifics, attract similar-aged travelers, providing relaxing sea days to balance stamina needs. These cruises, often with 5 or 6 sea days, allow restful pacing, avoiding the exhaustion of port-heavy schedules. Steer clear of tender-heavy ports, which can be tricky for mobility issues, and extreme climates like the Mediterranean in July, which drain energy. River cruising in Europe, with smaller ships and mature-focused routes, offers intimate experiences, letting travelers enjoy leisurely days and cultural stops. Checking port details ensures accessibility, aligning with over 55's comfort needs. These choices create a relaxed voyage, maximizing enjoyment while minimizing physical strain for mature travelers. Number 2. Cruise line. Many cruise lines target younger travelers, despite a growing over 55 demographic, but stewards love the tidy habits of mature cruisers. Lines like Holland America and Princess now offer kids programs, increasing family presence. For kid-free experiences, over 55s should choose adult-only lines like Viking or Virgin Voyages, which foster calm environments. UK cruisers can opt for Saga over 50s or P&O's adult-only ships, Arcadia and Aurora. Premium lines like Cunard, Celebrity, or luxury options like Oceania and Seabourn attract fewer families, especially outside school holidays, with enrichment programs like talks and wine tastings. However, even luxury lines like Explorer Journeys now target younger guests with kids clubs, so research is key. Over 55's preference for these lines reduces cabin mess, easing steward workloads. For example, a tidy Oceania cruiser's habits led to extra towel art from a grateful steward. Avoid family-heavy lines like Royal Caribbean during peak seasons to minimize chaos. Choosing mature-focused lines ensures stewards can deliver spotless cabins and personalized touches, like chocolates or priority service, enhancing the experience for over 55s who value a refined, relaxed cruise. Number 3. Ship. Ship as cruise lines expand. Newer ships cater to families, but smaller, older ships like Celebrities, Solstice, or Cunard's Queen Victoria suit over 55s better. These classic vessels are easier to navigate, with simpler layouts ideal for mature travelers. Stewards appreciate the reduced chaos on smaller ships, allowing more time for cabin detailing. For example, a tidy Solstice cruiser earned a towel swan from a relieved steward. In contrast, megaships like Princess's Sphere class can overwhelm with their scale. For big ship fans, ship-within-a-ship options like Norwegian's The Haven or MSC's Yacht Club offer quieter zones, minimizing steward stress from bustling areas. These exclusive enclaves provide calm retreats, especially during peak family times, ensuring a relaxed experience. Over 55's orderly habits on these ships let stewards focus on turndowns and extras like fresh linens, Checking ship size and amenities ensures a match with mobility and comfort needs. Selecting smaller or exclusive areas helps stewards maintain pristine cabins, often rewarding mature cruisers with perks like priority ice or a playful towel animal, enhancing their voyage. Number 4. Cabin. Cabin choice is critical for over 55s prioritizing comfort. Stewards love when mature cruisers avoid guaranteed fares, which risk noisy locations near nightclubs or pool decks, disrupting cleaning schedules. Select cabins surrounded by other cabins, checking deck plans to avoid venues like theaters that cause late-night clutter. Midship cabins near elevators suit mobility needs, reducing walking to dining or lounges. Walk-in showers over bathtubs enhance safety, simplifying steward linen tasks. For example, a cruiser's tidy midship cabin earned extra pillows from a grateful steward. If using wheelchairs or scooters, book accessible cabins, as stewards appreciate pre-approved setups for efficient cleaning. Keep cabins organized, use closets, not floors, to ease vacuuming. Over 55's attention to these details ensures stewards can deliver spotless spaces without delays. Checking cabin accessibility and layout in advance prevents issues, aligning with mature travelers' needs for restful retreats. This thoughtfulness often sparks steward gratitude, resulting in perks like a towel monkey or swift service, making the cabin a haven of comfort and calm for over 55 cruisers. Number 5. Fares. Over 55s can save smartly while aiding stewards by choosing fares wisely. Scams targeting mature travelers are rising on social media and fake ads mimicking cruise lines. Book through trusted agents at cruisecarnival.com/agents to avoid fraud. Senior discounts from Celebrity, Royal Caribbean, Carnival over 55, or MSC over 65 reduce costs, streamlining steward tasks with fewer last-minute bookings. AARP memberships offer cruise, hotel, and excursion discounts, minimizing onboard requests. Loyalty programs reward frequent cruisers, easing steward workloads with familiar guests. Booking on board for future cruises secures better deals, reducing administrative disruptions. Group cruises, like those hosted by Cipher's partners, include discounted fares and perks, keeping cabins tidy with organized travelers. For example, a group cruise's early booking led to a steward's extra chocolates. These fare strategies ensure smooth service, letting stewards focus on cabin upkeep. Over 55's strategic choices earn steward appreciation, often unlocking bonuses like priority restocks or towel art, enhancing the cruise experience with value and comfort. Number 6. Excursions. Stewards love when over 55's pick low-impact excursions, returning with less cabin mess. Check cruise line tour descriptions for fitness levels, walking distances, or terrain to avoid strenuous outings like cobblestone treks or humid climbs, which track dirt into cabins. Small group tours via toursbylocals.com or Shore Excursions Group offer tailored pacing, unlike rigid cruise line options. For example, a relaxed city tour kept a cruiser's cabin clean, earning a steward's towel elephant. Balance active tours with casual port strolls to avoid fatigue-related clutter. Skipping some ports preserves energy, reducing laundry needs. Cruise Cipher advises consulting excursion teams to select steward-friendly options, ensuring manageable outings.